In this session, I want to talk about how we move from simply automating tasks to driving a resilient, high-performing operation by bringing together IBM Robotic Process Automation and IBM Business Automation workflow. Throughout the video, I will simply refer to IBM Robotic Process Automation as RPA and IBM Business Automation Workflow as BAW. When we look at the pain side, it's about recognizing that when RPA works in a silo, it faces limitations. Without an overarching brain to guide it, even the most efficient bot can struggle with visibility or complex exceptions. By placing RPA within a structured workflow, we get the best of both worlds. Workflow provides the logic and routing, while RPA provides high-velocity execution for repetitive tasks. Together, they drive a fully integrated, intelligent process. What I'm going to show you next is a demonstration that brings RPA and BAW together in a seamless integrated flow. On the screen is a simple loan application workflow. In this process, I'm going to be making use of two RPA bots. The first bot automates the manual steps of copying data from the year-end salary tax form and from another application and entering all the data into a target application. The second bot automates sending an email to notify whether the loan is approved or not. The bot also updates a document with the relevant information and attaches the updated document to the email. Starting this demo, I have an application intake form that I need to specify the candidate's details, so their first name, last name, email address, and the loan amount. Moving on, this triggers our first RPA bot. If I go into the RPA control center and refresh my bot page, I can see that the bot is now running. Typically, from a user perspective, this would all happen behind the scenes, but for the sake of the demo, let's have a look at what the bot is doing. First of all, the RPA bot is going to connect to Google Drive. In my Google Drive, I have a list of applicants in my Loan Manager folder. Opening this up, you can see a year-end salary tax form. The bot is going to extract data from this tax form. Jumping to the bot, we can now watch it execute. The bot first extracts the company name from the year-end salary tax form and validates it by going to a government website and checking the existence and financial status of the listed company. Then it enters the annual gross salary into the mortgage approval application by copying this data from the year-end salary tax form. After that, the bot navigates to another application, searches for the applicant, and goes to the Investments tab to retrieve the list of investments. It then sums up the investment value and the yearly income of the investments and enters the totals into the mortgage approval application. Then the bot goes to the Liabilities tab to retrieve the list of liabilities. Similarly, it then sums up the liabilities amounts and the yearly obligations and enter the sums into the mortgage approval application. Based on a number of factors, the bot decides whether the loan application is high risk, medium risk, or low risk. For the sake of the demo, we're going to assume it's low risk so that it will be automatically approved. Moving back into RPA, I can see that the bot has now finished executing, and in BAW I can see that we've moved on to the next step. As the loan application is automatically approved, BAW flow has advanced to the second RPA bot, which is sending the candidate an email saying that the loan has been approved. Back in the RPA control center, I can see that my second RPA bot is now running and it's going to send an approval email to the candidate. The bot again connects Google Drive to retrieve a loan agreement template. The template is initially empty without the borrower's name and the loan amount. The bot then fills the required information and attaches the document to the email. Moving to the inbox. The new email has arrived. Opening the attachment, we can see that it's a filled-in loan agreement. Thanks for watching this demo that shows the integration of IBM RPA and BAW.